History is writing. When Palestine was crying out, the Muslim Ummah was asleep. The animals standing alongside were nothing but spectators. On their lips were the words strong condemnation, and in their hearts the formal claims of deep concern. It is said, just condemn, remain silent, and wait for your turn. Meanwhile, there is Palestine, where the dreams of innocent children are buried under the rubble, where mothers' arms have been left empty, where with every call to prayer, another body is lifted. And over there is the Muslim Ummah, whose eyes fill with tears, yet they remain inactive, who can turn pain into words, but tremble at the first step of action. We have buried our honor under statements. We have locked our faith in files of condemnation. Palestine is burning, being torn apart, dying, and we merely repeat words of sorrow while standing, waiting for our turn. This silence is also a crime. This apathy is also a killing. History is writing. When Palestine was crying out, the Muslim Ummah was asleep.